It's a certified 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This GLA is the perfect mix of flexibility, fuel efficiency, and fun, with engineering that delivers capability, luxury, and class-leading innovation. It's well equipped with the features you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, engine auto stop-start feature, aluminum wheels, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, external memory control, voice-activated climate controls, smart device remote engine start, and auto shift manual transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.